How to delete mention in Instagram story after posting. First of all, you have to open Instagram app and then you have to add to your story and mention someone on your story. Let's tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen, and as you can see that I already have posted a story and mentioned someone. If you don't know how to do it, you can simply go to your story and add your story. Let me help you out for you. Let's select any photo or video and then you can tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and here you can see the mention option. Select it and you can choose anyone you wish to mention on your Instagram story. Once done, you can place anywhere you would like to, and then you can tap on your stories button. So wait for a while until your Instagram story has been posting. So let's open it and check whether it has been posted or not. So as you can see that we have successfully added the story and mentioned them as well. So in order to delete the mention, you can tap on more or you can tap on the three dots, and then here as you can see there is no any option to delete mention in Instagram story after posting. There is only the option to add mention. So the best thing you can do is simply you can go to story settings, and here you can select hide story from, and here you can easily select that user that you have mentioned on your story. Once done, tap on the done button at the top right, and the number has been increased to 2. That means we have hidden that story from this user that we have mentioned on our story. That means that we have successfully deleted that mention in Instagram story after posting, because they won't be able to view our Instagram story now. So that's how we delete mention in Instagram story after posting. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for more updates. If you have any queries, you can easily and feel free to comment on the comment section.